Okay, today we're going to be upgrading my MacBook Pro from 4 gigabytes of RAM to 8 gigabytes of RAM. There's 10 screws on the back. Shut down the machine, and then you'll need to remove 10 screws on the back, and we'll go ahead and get started doing that. The thing that you'll need is a very fine tip Phillips head screwdriver. So we'll just remove these screws. Thing to note, of the 10 screws that I'm removing, there's two sizes. There's a really small one and then a longer one. And remember, the 3 longer ones go on the back side or the monitor side of the machine where the hinge is at, to the right. So kind of, what I do is I just set those to the right and then set all the other ones over here to the side, and then that way I just won't forget. Once you have those screws out, just gently pull away the cover. And I have never had the cover off this machine, so it's pretty dirty inside. This machine's been in service since 2009, and it travels with me every day and on long trips. So it's been beat up a bit, but I haven't had any problems as of yet. Okay, this is the RAM right here. This is what we're going to remove. And if you notice, there are 2 clips on either side of the memory module. You just want to pry those apart gently, and the memory stick will just hinge forward for you. Gently applying even pressure, pull out on these existing memory sticks. Okay, the second one's right below there. Once again, you'll want to pry the tabs apart, and then the upper tabs as well, and it will just hinge forward, and then just gently pull. Okay, when you're reinserting your RAM, you just want to make sure that you align the slot with the slot right here in the circuit board or the memory slot, and you just want to line it up and then gently press until the gold connectors practically disappear, and push down. And when you push down, you'll see the notches on this RAM right here on either side. Make sure that's lined up with the little ball tabs on your levers or your release levers. Press it down at a click and stay in place, and then do that with the second one. Really easy. And that's it. That's all there is to installing the RAM. Next thing we'll do is put the cover back on and boot it up. Okay, we'll go over here to About This Mac. Oops. And show right there 8 gigabytes, 1067 megahertz DDR3. And that's it. That's that simple. So if you have any questions, though, feel free to send me a message, and I'll post in the comments, and I'll be happy to help you any way I can. Thanks a lot.